Good morning, boys. We will continue again the exercise number 10.2, sum number 6. Same method, there is no difference from the previous problem. Just you have to draw the diagram properly. After that, you can proceed. Clear? For all the questions, you are asked to find out ESD, EFD, LSD, LFD, and also the critical pathway. Clear? So you have to, it is very simple. Only thing, you have to draw the diagram without intersecting the two lines. Clear? In such a way, you have to, without intersecting the lines, you have to draw a diagram. That's all. The diagram may be in different shape. Just now you can listen now. We will start from the activity starting from 1. So I am starting from 1 onwards. 1 is goes to 2. Then again 1 goes to 3. It is given already in the question. Then 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 3 to 4. Just you have to connect. 3 to 4. 3 to 5. Then 5 to 6. 5 to 6. 5 to 7. If you go to see, just you see 5 to 7. Then 6 to 8. 6 to 8. Then 7 to 8. Just you have to connect. Then 8 to 10, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Clear? Is there anything? Yes, 4 to 9. So if you draw the line, see it is visibly it is not good. Therefore, I just take 9 over here, 8 to 9, then 9 to 10, it is given 8 to 10 also. Clear? Just you have to check 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 9, 5 to 6, 5 to 7, 6 to 8, 7 to 8, 8 to 10, 9 to 10, but there is no 8 to 9, therefore you just erase it. That's all. See to that there is no path is intersecting each other. The diagram may be somewhere you can do yourself. You can interchange 6 and 7, that is your wish, nothing wrong. Clear? Ensure that there won't be any intersecting lines, that's all. Now you have to write down the duration, that is 4, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3 is 1, then 2 to 4, 1, 2 to 4, 1, 4 to 9, 5, 7, 9 to 10, 7, then 8 to 10, 8 to 10, how much? 8 to 10, 5, then 6 to 8, 6 to 8 is 1, 6 to 8 is 1, then 3 to 5, 3 to 5, 6, 3 to 4, 1, 5 to 7, 8, 5 to 6, 4. So all the informations what is given in the question, it is plotted. Now you start EST, yearly starting time, that is always 0. From 1 to, it is given 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So you have to add the duration. 0 plus 4, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1. Out of these two, which one is the maximum? For forward you have to take the maximum value 4. Therefore, E is equal to 4. Here E is equal to how much? 1. Clear? Then this is the maximum value. From here you have to start 2 to 4. What is 2 to 4? We have 2 to 4 as well as 3 to 4, but you have to start from here only. 2 to 4, that is 4 plus 1, how much? 5. Because from here only you have 2 paths, but when you reach 2 to 4, there is only 1 path, therefore straight away you can add 4 plus 1 is 5. Don't consider the maximum value. If it is come reverse order, you go to the maximum value. From 1 we have 2 root. In such a case, from one distinction, if you have 2 path, take maximum. But 2 to 4, 3 to 4, this is not. From 2, there is no 2 pathway. From 3 we have 2 pathway, there you have to check. Clear. But from 2 there is only 1, therefore just you have to add and write, that is 5. Clear. Now 2 to 4 yearly starting time, that is E is equal to 5. Then 4 to 5, straight away can write, that is E is equal to how much? 9. 5 plus, then 9 to 7 you should not do like this, because to reach 10 we have how many distinction? 2. So you have to wait, don't go to that side. Now 1 is completed. What is the next one? 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, already we have the clock earliest starting time. Then 3 to 5, 3 to 5, that is 1 plus 6, 7. From 5 we have 2 paths, one is goes to 6th place, another one is goes to 7th place. It is increasing order, therefore you have to add 7 plus 4 is 11, 7 plus 8 is 15. This is the maximum value, therefore you have to take this path, E is equal to 15. Clear. Then 7 plus 4 is how much? 11. You have to write as it is. Then to reach 8, 7 plus 8, so 7 to 8, what is the pathway is given? 7 to 8, 2. So from here only you have to take, there is no 2 path from 7, only 1 path is given, sir, therefore 15 plus 2 is 17. From 7 we have 2 paths, you see here from 5 we have 2 paths. In that case you have to take the maximum value. If it is only 1 path, you should not take the maximum value, just you have to add the duration with the earliest starting time, write down there. So 17 plus 5, 8 to 10, there is only 1 path, therefore 17 plus 5 is how much? 22, because it is given 8 to 10, 9 to 10, 9 to 10, 9 plus 7 how much? See, 17 plus 5, 22, and 9 plus 7, how much? 16. This is the maximum value, you have to take the maximum value. Clear. Don't straight away add 9 plus 7 is 17 over there, that is wrong, because we have 2 pathway, there you have to see the maximum one. Clear. So now you have to find out the least value, that is backward system. For backward you have to see only the least value. Start from L is equal to 22. From 10 we have 2 pathway, one is 9, another one is 8. 22 minus 7 how much? 22 minus 5 is 17. 22 minus 7, what is the 22 minus 7? This just drop it. 22, 8 to 10, it is given 8 to 10, 5, so 22 minus 5, 17, then 9 to 10, 22 minus 7 is, 22 minus 7 is 15, this is 17, clear. Now you have to see that from 7, 8, 6, from 7, we have 7 to 5, from 7 to 5, where is 7? 7 to 5, 17 minus 2, 8 to 7 is there, reverse order. After 8, 10, 9, 10 we have the question 8 to 7, 15 minus 2, that is L is equal to 15. Then 17 minus 11, what is 17 minus 11? 17 minus 1, that is L is equal to 17 minus 1 is 16 at 6. You have two pathway, you have to select the minimum one. So minimum one will got here at 7. So from 7 you have to come again. There is only one pathway. 17, that is 15 minus 8 is how much? 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Clear? Just you have to come to the place. Be careful. Start from the least LSD 22. There are two pathway. It is given 8, 10 and 10, 9. So just you have to subtract and write. L is equal to 15. Here L is equal to 17. Then it is given 8 to 6 and 8 to 7. Out of these two, you have to select the minimum one. Minimum one is 15. Then again 7 to 5 is given. So just you have to subtract. As usual, 6 to 5, it is given 6 to 5, 4. Subtract and write. Clear? So you have to be careful of finding that answer. Here minimum, from minimum only you have to start. Don't start from here. So if you go for this one, 16 minus 4, it is coming 12. That is wrong. Clear? So where we got the 8? So from 8 we have two possibilities. Out of these two possibilities, this is the minimum. From here only you have to start. 5 to 7, it is given pathway 5 to 7 in the question. If it is not given, then you should not subtract. It is given very clearly 5 to 7. So just you have to do it the calculation. Then 7 minus 6 is how much? 5 to 3. It is given 3 to 5. That is 3 to 5 is given 6. So just you have to subtract L, that is 7 minus 6. Don't subtract from B, you have to subtract from only L, that is 1. Again 1 minus 1, 0. Here you have to find out this side. Here L is equal to how much? L is equal to how much? 15. 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Clear? But when you subtract, now you cannot get L is equal to, you should not do like this. L minus C, it is given 1, 2, 3, I got 0. 1 minus 1, 0. That's all answer. Clear? So don't go in the reverse order. When you go to the reverse order, you should not simply subtract whatever it is given. Simply don't do the calculations. Clear? So now, what are the places having the same value? 1, 1, 7, 7, 15, 15, 17, 17, 22, 22. So therefore, you have to find the critical path. So this is the critical pathway, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. So this is your critical pathway. Boys, clear? So when you go for this is the minimum value. From here you have to start. From here you will reach 1, 3. So don't straight away subtract. Don't come to this path. There is no values are getting 0 for E and L. The difference of E and L is not getting 0. Therefore, don't go to that side. So you should know how to find out L from the backwards. These two you have to subtract because only the two ways are there. So 22 minus 15 is 17. And 22 minus 7 is 15. Then we have 8 to 7 and 8 to 6. It is given already in the question. So based on this, you have to do the further. Clear? So don't start from 9 to 4 and 4 to 2 and 4 to 3. Clear? You should be in order. It is when you go to the right side, it is increasing order. If it is come this side, you will be coming in that decreasing order. So based on the concept, you have to do it. So if you have any doubt regarding this concept, please let me know. I will explain one more time. So how to find out 22? From 10 to 8, 10 to 9 is given. Just you have to subtract the duration. Then from 8 to 7, 8 to 6. Two options are given. So you have to find out which one is the minimum one after subtracting from L. 17 minus 2 is 15. 17 minus 1 is 16. Out of these two, which one is smaller? This is smaller, that is 15. From there only you have to start to the next one. Don't start from 6. Clear? This is the maximum value for L. But here L is minimum value. From the minimum value only you have to start. From 5 there is no 2 pathway. It will go straight away 3. From 3 will go have 2 pathways. So depends upon that question. 2 you cannot go to that increasing order. From 3 we have 1 and 4, but you should not go to 3 to 4. If you go to 3 to 4, that is forward method. Forward method is not suitable for to find L value. So you have to go to only the decreasing order. That's what I told you. If you go start from here, you go to the increasing order. When you come from the last, it will be always in decreasing order. You may have a doubt to ask, sir, here 3, but you said here there are 2. You have to choose minimum 1 is fine. 8 is greater than 7 and 6. That's what I am taking that smaller value out of these 2. From there I started. Clear. After 7, you may go 5 or 4 or 3. That is permissible. But whereas here from 8 we have 2 pathway. 8 to 6, 8 to 7. Both 7 and 6 less than 8. Therefore, I can find the minimum value of these 2. I started. I continue the next one. But whereas from 3, we have 2. Like from 8, we have 2 pathway. From 3 also, we have 2 pathway. The problem is, keep it in your mind, here 8. When the pathway reached more than 8, that is 9 and 10, then I cannot apply that. You cannot find the minimum value. Your answer is getting wrong. From 8, you have to select the distinction, that is the places which is less than 8. 7 and 6 less than 8. That's why I am taking the minimum value of these 2. I write what is L. From there I started 7 to 5. I cannot go to 7 to 5. It is not allowed. Clear. Then 5 to 3, only 1 pathway. But whereas in 3, we have 2 pathway. 1 is less than 3, but 4 is greater than 3. So this is not allowed. Are you clear? But whereas here in 8, we have 2 pathway, but 7 and 6 are less than 8. In such a case, you have to proceed the minimum value of these 2 and started. Here I started like this. Clear? But in 3, we have 2 pathway like 8. But in 8, we have the distinction less than 8, that is 7 and 6. Whereas at 3, we have more than 3, less than 3. For backward formula, you should take only less than 3. You should not take more than 3. That's what I did not take this path. Are you clear now? So, if there is any 2 pathway from that number, you have to select only that less than that distinction. Don't take the greater than 1. That's what I take. See, 8 is greater than 7 and 6. These 2 are smaller than 8. Therefore, my pathway is correct. If we come to the same place 5, we have 2 pathway like 8. But the problem is, from 3 you cannot go to 4, because what is the condition I said for the backward formula? You have to go always in decreasing order. From 8 you can go 7 and 6, even you can go 4 directly. Because 5, 6, 3, 2, everything is less than 8. So you can proceed. But whereas at 3 we have 2 pathway, you should go only in the descending order. You cannot go 3 to 4. If you go to 3 to 4, what is that? It is ascending order. But backward ascending is not allowed, only descending allowed. Therefore, you go to straight away 3 to 1, don't go to 3 to 4. Are you clear? From forward, you go increasing order. From the back side to find L, you please go to only in decreasing order. From 8, 7, 6, it is decreasing order. But in 3, we have 3 to 1 is decreasing order, but 3 to 4 is increasing order. To find the L, you should not go to the forward one, you will go always decreasing order. Clear? So 8 to 6, 8 to 7, decreasing order. 3 to 1 is decreasing, but 3 to 4 increasing. That is not allowed to find the values of L. Are you clear now? How to find out? For backward, you have to take decrease. This is increasing, this is not allowed. Don't think that, sir, you thought this is from 8, you take 2. Out of these 2, which one is the minimum? Not like that. I said very clearly, it is decreasing order. From 8, we have 7 and 6. Both 7 and 6 less than 8. Decreasing order. From 3, 1 and 4 is not in order. 1 is decreasing order, but 4 is in increasing order. Therefore, you have to take only the pathway from 3 to 1, don't take 3 to 4, because to find values of L, you always come in descending order, not in increasing order. Clear? So after that, we will have to form the tabular column, what we did already in the previous class, that is activities. This I have to write over there. So 17 and L is also 17. So activities duration. What is the activities given? 1 to 2, 1 to 3, duration is 4, 1, then 2 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 5, I can see the book itself, 2 to 4, 1, 3 to 4, 1, 3 to 5, 6, then 4 to 9, 4 to 9, 5 to 6, 5 to 7, 6 to 8, 7 to 8, 8 to 10, 9 to 10. So what are the duration is given? 4 to 9, 5, 4, 8, 5, 4, 8, 1, 2, 5, 7, 1, 2, 5, 7. Now you have to find out EST, early starting time. So you know very clearly early starting time from 1 to 2, what is the early starting time? 0. From 1 to 3 is also 0. 2 to 4, E, 4. Just you have to see that value, 2 to 4. For EST you have to see that lower limit I told you already. You have to see the lower limit. For LST you have to see the upper limit. That's the difference. Clear? For EST you have to see the lower limit 1 to 2. What is that starting value? 1. That is lower limit. See that E value at the lower limit. For LST you have to see L at that final value. So 1 to 2 to 4, 3 to 4, 1. Then 3 to 5 also 1. 4 to 9, 4 to 9, 5. 5 to 6, 5 to 6, 7, 5 to 7, 7, 6 to 8, that is 11, 7 to 8, 15, then 8 to 10, 8 to 10, 17, 9 to 10, 9. So you have to write down that answers EST 00441, 577, 11, 15, 17 and 9 to 10. Where will 9 to 10? In 9 to 10 we have 9. That's all. Clear? So now you have to proceed. Eight to 9 to 9, 4 to 9, 4 to 9, 4 plus 5 plus 5. At 9th place E is equal to 10, 5 plus 5, 10. Just you have to calculate the values, you will get. So 9 to 10, 9 to 10 what is given? 7. 9 to 10, that is E equal to 10. Instead of 9 you have to write 10. So now you have to find out earliest finishing time, EFD. You know how to find out EFD? Just you have to add duration and ESD. So you will get 4, 1, 5, 2, 7, 10, 11, 15 and 16, 17, 22 and 17. So you will get this answer. Clear? Just you have to add and write, you will get EFD. Next you have to find out what? LSD, that is latest starting time. So this you know how to find out latest starting time. You have to find out 1 to 2. Where will come 1 to 2? For this you have to subtract 1 to 2. What will be the answer for 1 to 2? That is, I told you already, to find L you have to see the upper limit. What is the upper limit? 2. So here 2. At 2 what is your L? 9. 9 minus 4, 5. You have to find out the value for L at the upper limit of these activities. Then you subtract the duration of the path. So at 2 what is your L value? 9. 9 minus 4 is how much? 5. The next 1, 2, 3. 3. At 3 what is your L value? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 2 to 4. Where is 2 to 4? 2 to 4. At 4, 10. 10 minus the duration 1, that is 9. Clear? The next 3 to 4, where will 3 to 4 at 4, 10, 10 minus 1, again 9. Clear? The next one you have to see 3 to 5, 3 to 5, at 5 L is 7, 7 minus 6, 1. Then 4 to 9, at 9 L is 15, 15 minus 5 is 10. Then 5 to 6, where is 5 to 6? 5 to 6, at 6 L is 16, 16 minus this duration is 12. Then 5 to 7, at 7 L is 15, 15 minus 8 is 7. 5 to 7. The next 6 to 8, at 8 L is 17, 17 minus 1 is 16. Then 7 to 8, again at 8 is 17, 17 minus the duration is 15, 2 that is 15. Then 8 to 10, at 10 22, 22 minus 5 is 17. Then 9 to 10, at 10 L equal to 22, 22 minus 7, 15. Then you have to find out LFT, that is latest finishing time. Just you have to add the duration, that is D plus F, that is D plus LSD, and write down the answer. 4 plus 5, 9, 1, then 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 6 plus 7, 1, 7, and so on. Just you have to add and write, you will get down the answer. I will write that directly, the answer 7, 15, 16, 15, 16, 15, 17, 17, 15, 17, 17, 22, 22. So just you have to write down that answer, you will get, just you have to add and see, you will get answer. Clear? Just I have marked here, D plus LSD. So you have to add these two, you will get duration, and LSD will get LFT. That's the answer. Clear? So this is the answer to find out ESD, EFD, LSD and LFD. So diagram is very important. When you come for the backward formula, you please go in decreasing order. From 8 we have 7 and 6, this is decreasing order, whereas at 3 we have 2 pathway, but 3 to 1 is decreasing order, whereas in 3 to 4 is increasing order. That is not allowed. You should go always in the decreasing order for backward formula, but forward you go for always in increasing order. Don't confuse. Just now I explained how to get the answer to 8 to 7 and 8 to 6. 8 to 7 decreasing order, 8 to 6 is also decreasing order, whereas from 3 to 1 decreasing order. But what about 3 to 4? That is increasing order, that is not allowed. Once you come to the back side, it will be always in decreasing order. If you go to the right side, it will be always forward one. Don't mix backward as well as forward. Your answer will be wrong. So now we will go to the sum number 7. I will do only the diagram alone. You please complete the tabular column at home. That is to find ESD, EFD, LSD and LFD. Clear? This calculation part alone you can do it at home. I will complete the diagram now. Now sum number 7. Draw the network. There are activities are given 1 to 2. So you have to start 1 to 2. The next is given 1 to 3. Then 2 to 4, 3 to 4, just to connect. Then 3 to 5, 4 to 5, then 4 to 6, 5 to 6. Just you have to connect, should be close to 1. Now you have to write down the duration. 6, 1 to 2 is 6, 1 to 3 is 5, then 2 to 4 is 10, 3 to 4 is 3, 4, 3, 6, 4 to 6, 2, 5 to 6, 9. So now you have to start always E is equal to 0. I am going now forward formula. For forward you have to go to the increasing order 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Starting place is 3. So 1 to 2 is also increasing order, 1 to 3 is also increasing order. Therefore, in such a case, you please add 0 plus 6, 0 plus 5. Which one is greater? 6 is the greater one. Therefore, you have to write 6. Clear? Then 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. What is given next one? 2 to 4 and 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 2 to 4. Next value is given 2 to 4. So, just you have to add 2 to 4. There is no 2 pathway. 10 plus 6, 16. Then next what is given? 3 to 4. 3 to 4, 3 to 5. Now from 3 we have 2 paths. 3 to 4 increasing order. 3 to 5 increasing order. In such a case you have to check which one is the greater value. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3, then 5 plus 4 is 9. So, which one is greater? 9 is the greater. Therefore, you have to come to this side. E is equal to 9. That's all. So, from 3, 3 to 4, 3 to 5, it is increasing order. So, 2 pathway from 3 increasing order. Therefore, you have to add 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. You have to select only the maximum value, that is E is equal to 9. Clear? Now, from 5 to 6. No pathway, it is 5 to 6 is given. 9 plus is 9. How much? Duration is 9 plus 9. 16 plus 4 to, see the next one, 4 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 4 to 5, 4 to 6. Just you have to add 16 plus 6, how much? Which one is greater? 16 plus 6, 16 plus 6, 16 plus 2, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 4 to 5, 4 to 6. 2 pathway, you have to select which one is the greater one. 16 plus 6 is 22, this is 18. So, which one is greater? 16 plus 6, this is the greater one. Therefore, you have to take E is equal to 22. E is equal to 22, and which place? 3 to 4, 3 E we found already. This is 3 to 4, 3 to 5, from 4 to 5. So, this will come 22. This is 22, 26, 22, 26. So, you will see that 22. Here will come 22. 22 plus 9 is how much? 31. So, already it is 16. It is correct. So, from 4 to 5, 4 to 6, you have to see that 22 is the greater one. So, 22 plus 9 is 31. From the greater value you have to take. So, 0, 6, 5, 22, 16, 31. So, after that you have to find out the least value. Now, you will come to the backward class, that is 31. There are 2 pathway, just you have to find out 39, 31 minus 2. 31 minus 9. So, it is given 6 to 5, just you have to subtract, you will get L is equal to 22. Then 5 to 4, what is the 5 to 4? It is given L is equal to 22 minus 6, L is equal to 16. Then as usual you have to subtract from these two, 4 to 3, 4 to 2, there are 2 values. So, you have to subtract and find which one is the least one. Just you have to subtract the duration from the L value, find out which one is suitable one and complete the diagram. Calculation you have to do it. I did at the place 4, 5, 6. You have to complete the remaining part of, in the remaining part of 2 and 3. How do you find out? In the reverse order, 5 to 3, we have only one pathway, that is 22 minus 4 is 18. Then 4 to 2 is the great decreasing order, that is L is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 is how much? 6 minus 6, 0. Clear? 18 minus 5 doesn't matter. Now you have to see that wherever you get the same values E and L, that is called critical pathway. So, what is the pathway? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. This is the critical pathway. Clear? So, just be careful when come to the backward classes. you have to see whether it is decreasing order or not, out of which you have to take the minimum value. From there you have to start, you will get the critical pathway. Clear? So from 4 to 2, 4 to 3, it is both are in decreasing order. You have to subtract and take the which one is the minimum one. 16 minus 10 is 6. This is the minimum one. From minimum one, you have to reach the final edge. Here we get 18. 18 is greater than 6. So you should not take greater than value. You have to take only less than value, that is in decreasing order. You will get required answer. Tabular column you have to complete at home. Clear? So boys, be careful. If you don't understand, you please let me know. I will help you in the next class. We have 3 more problems that we will see in the next class. Thank you boys.